equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. Today, we will walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and fix common issues, ensuring your vacuum runs smoothly again. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and a pair of tweezers. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. Begin by inspecting the exterior of your Dyson V8. Look for any visible damage or blockages. If you notice any debris in the brush bar, use your flathead screwdriver to remove it. This is crucial as blockages can significantly affect performance. Next, let's move on to the internal components. To access the motor and battery, you'll need to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew these. Remember to keep the screws in a safe place, as losing them can complicate reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. Here, you'll see the motor and battery. If your vacuum is not charging, it could be due to a faulty battery. Check for any signs of corrosion or damage. If you suspect the battery is the issue, we recommend our professional diagnosis without obligation to confirm the problem. Now, let's clean the internal components. Use the soft brush to remove any dust or debris from the motor area. This is important for maintaining optimal performance. If you find it challenging to clean, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. After cleaning, reassemble the vacuum by carefully placing the cover back on and securing it with the screws. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling during use. If your Dyson V8 still isn't functioning properly, it might be time to consider a more in-depth repair. Before proceeding, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Finally, test your vacuum to ensure it's working correctly. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. With these steps, you should be well on your way to restoring your Dyson V8 to its former glory. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.